All right, PPDP video 2. The conference was called Arts, Ads, and Semiotics with Debbie Smith and Terry Barrett. I know Mr. Barrett was from Ohio State University. I'm not sure where Debbie Smith was. Very, what's the word? Can't think of it. Provocative. Very provocative images they showed. Okay, very provocative ad images, along with my visual culture studies. Okay. They asked, Miss Smith said, she's always asking her students, what do you see, what do you see, what do you see, what do you see? Trying to get to the denotations, what is actually there, and the connotations. What do they mean? Semiotics is the study of signs and symbolism in cultures, and we live in a world of signs. What do they mean? What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? Okay. She says, I am a verb. I am an active participant in these signs, these symbols. We take our interaction with the world for granted, in that we assume that, the chair I'm sitting on is not going to fall out from under myself. I'm not going to fall under the floor. We take some of this for granted. We look at it, we see it, we maybe process it, but we don't really think about it. Okay. There are a few different kinds of signs. Index signs, they point to something, and symbols stand for something else. In order to communicate, there must be some common language, some level of intersection of common experience. Okay. She also gave me a few names. Laura Lombard, Elizabeth Garber, Roy Pearson. They did a lesson plan on women's ads, which I can look up. There's also kids in visual culture. Okay, this was an idea for me, kids in visual culture. Perhaps to teach as part of my PPDP, when I teach a visual culture lesson, I can do a kids in visual culture. Images of kids, boys only, girls only, mixed groups, and then bring them together to talk about images. What do they see? What do these images mean? Okay. That was it. Very, very good, intriguing, and I have all these people's emails and Skype addresses, so I can contact them if necessary, which is a fabulous part of being at the conference. Okay, end of PPDP tape number 2.